Video editors all over the world are wondering which version of Premiere Pro should they use. Is it the 2019 version, the 2018 version, or even the most recent 2024 version? I want you to understand that the version of Premiere Pro that you use as a video editor is determined by the computer hardware that is available to you. I am going to help you to understand the interface of Premiere Pro. Premiere Pro is made up of workspaces and panels. For the workspaces, we have the learning workspace, the assembly workspace, the editing workspace, the color workspace, the effects workspace, the audio, and the graphics workspace. Now, each workspace has gotten panels. For instance, as a video editor, you're going to be working mostly in the editing workspace. Inside the editing workspace, we have panels. These panels you can find in the editing workspace are the source panel, the project panel, the timeline panel, the program panel, the tools panel, and the audio meter panel. Let's take them one after the other. The project panel. The project panel is where you are going to import all your videos or your assets or your clips to Premiere Pro. So you're going to import all your videos to Premiere Pro using the project panel. So the project panel is available for you to be able to import all your footages that you're coming to edit. Number 2, the source monitor panel or the source panel. The source panel is where you preview your clips, your footages to be able to understand the clips you are about to edit before you even start editing them. Don't forget, it is always necessary as a video editor to watch your footages, understand them before you start doing editing. After importing your videos into the project panel, you can now preview your footage inside the source panel. Now that you are done watching your videos, you now bring your videos into the timeline panel. The timeline panel is where all the magic is about to happen. After importing your footages into the timeline panel or the sequence panel, you can now watch the videos you edit in the timeline in the program panel. So the program panel is where you watch to create all the magic that you want to create. In the next episode, I am going to show you or help you to understand how to import your videos from your browser into Premiere Pro. Like I said, it doesn't really matter the version of Premiere Pro that you use, whether the 2019 version or the 2024 version. So then, the computer hardware available for you will determine which version will be preferable or recommended for you. In the next video, I am going to help you to understand how to import your videos into the project panel. So don't forget to leave your comments or ask me any question that you want, and I'll tackle them in the next videos as well. Don't forget, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I am here to help you to understand how to edit using Premiere Pro. And hey, not just Premiere Pro, but any other softwares that you wish me to talk about, leave them in the comment section. My name is Director Bibo.